First, create a new blank form. Next, give your form a title. Create your questions and select the question type like so. You can make the question required so that it has to be answered. You can write a text that shows when someone submitted a form. Here, you can share your form for others to submit. You can test out the form for yourself by using the link. As you can see here, your response is immediately recorded. Thank you for watching.